Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Nkosi sikelele Africa. Nkosi sikelele Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates, this is a friendly warning. Friendly warning. Get your shit together. Get your shit together. Get your house in order. Do what you were doing in 2025. Please, please do not let the Sundowns win this league for the 8th year in a row. Please, please. Is it 9 or 8 years? Oh, bafethu. Hayi bafethu. Orlando Pirates ngiyanicela bafethu. Do not bottle this thing bafethu. Ngiyanicela. We've got 2 games in hand, I understand. But Sundowns are showing mentality enye engayi understand. Lama signings wawo ayasebenza. Where's Andre de Jong? Akaskorele lo muntu lo. Come on.